Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Officially released is beta firmware 1.23. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. I have a problem with sound. And what I'm going to try to be doing today is getting the front plate off. And my left speaker over here is the one that's giving me issues. I'll do my best to keep it on camera. And the only way I could figure out how to get this front cover off, simply just get my fingers underneath and slide them. I'm able to free a couple of clips. I'm not sure about the other clips, but there you go. You can see it sliding off. Don't want to force anything. And we're free. There's some glue over here. The glue's right here. There we go. Wasn't that hard? It just took some time. I want to concentrate on these two areas, this speaker right here. It's super hard for you to see that my mics are kind of sitting where they're supposed to be. And I do apologize if I go out of focus, but I'll try to bring the lens a little closer. So there you can see the mic on one side and the mic on the other side. There is no need to take this any further apart, and for me to modify my lens is going to be real fun to do. So this camera really should go back to Yi for a full repair. Sometimes these screwdrivers, they don't fit into the location. Too big, not deep enough. So what I do is I take the tip of the knife, I slide it in, and I could just definitely get this off here. There is one Phillips screw right over here. It's located under a sticker. And this is how they tell if you went in there and tampered with your camera. I'm having difficulties removing the whole camera, And I don't want to take it off in particular parts. We have to remove this particular tape, ribbon cable, plate, and so forth. If I went this far, and I want to make sure I could get some sound, this is a 1/116 drill bit. It's just a little bit bigger than the actual hole. So I am widening it up just a little bit. Maybe there's something in there that caused some issue. This would be a fair test and do a recording. Oh, this was a fair test indeed, seeing if I could fix the camera by opening it up, checking everything out, and possible to do on the spot. So what I'm going to be doing is listening. Thumbs up. This is the final test. I could walk around and definitely could hear the difference in the sound quality. And I'll walk around. You can hear me talking in a nice, natural, comfortable voice, going around the left side, looking at the back of the camera, to the right hand side back of the camera right about now. And you can hear the difference in the sound quality. That I have fixed my issue. Hope these video samples were very valuable. Have a great day. I have fixed my camera. I don't know what fixed it. Maybe just drilling out the holes, getting that little dirt that may have fallen in there, or opening it up and just visualizing and seeing what was causing the issue. Maybe there was a dislodgement, nobody knows, but I have fixed my sound issue. And the only real test will lie later on when I walk around the camera. So on that note, I hope this video can help somebody out there that's getting just one side of the sound like I have. On that note, thank you very much for viewing, and I hope this was a valuable lesson. Please don't fool around with your camera. Have a great day.